Hello, I'm Peshal Subedi. I come from Nepal. I'm very excited to be here in Bulgaria. I'm currently at the capital city Sofia. I'm here in a conference. The conference is organized by EBBS, Education Beyond Borders Sofia. And the other partners there is Across. What this platform like EBBS does is now we have a scheduled meeting for agents and the universities. So the universities are also serious for giving the agency, and the agents are also serious in giving the students to the university. So at this platform, so I had like contacts with 10 or 12 universities here from Bulgaria and all over the Europe. Some of the agents I have already worked, and I have sent a good number of students, but some are very new to me, some are very new market, and they are countries from all over the world. So what it did to me was, at one place I could grab all those countries for whom I had to work maybe not half a year, but maybe more than 3 months of planning and everything. So I could just get that in 3 days, and that was just possible because of EBBS. I'm very excited. I mean, how did they manage with this, from accommodation to food? In coming years, I'm surely visiting Bulgaria. Namaste.